Okay, so you've been really like diving deep into SEO, right? Trying to figure out how to make it work for your business.
Yeah,
You found all these strategies for boosting sales using SEO, and it can be like a little overwhelming.
they can be a lot.
So we're going to break down these 8 core strategies so
Yeah.
you can see how to actually make them work for you.
See you, exactly.
For you.
Yeah.
All right, so SEO, what is it really all about?
I mean, in the simplest terms, it's about getting more eyeballs on your product,
Eyeballs. Okay.
more visibility online.
Okay.
That's going to translate to more traffic to your website, right?
All right.
More conversions.
More conversions. Uh-huh.
And ultimately more sales.
Okay.
So it's really about tapping into all that market potential that's just waiting to be unlocked.
Okay, so let's get into the specifics of how we do that.
Okay.
The first strategy is keyword research.
Yes.
And I think a lot of people hear that and they're like, yeah, keywords, I know.
Sure.
But have you really thought about how user intent plays a role
Yeah.
in that?
That's what it comes down to.
Yeah.
It's not just about finding any old keyword.
Right.
You need to understand the why behind the search.
Okay.
So,
The why.
if somebody is searching for best running shoes, for example,
Okay.
are they looking for reviews? Are they comparing different products?
Okay.
Or are they ready to click buy now?
Right.
So that intent, that's really what should inform your keyword choices, and then you know how you actually use them in your content.
That's such a good point because I feel like we get so caught up in the, like, what is the keyword? What is the keyword?
Right.
And it's like, well, why are they searching for this keyword?
Exactly.
What is it they're trying to accomplish?
Yeah, are they just browsing? Are they ready to take action?
Right.
That's what you have to think about.
Okay, so we've got our keywords. Now we need to make sure our site's accessible, right?
Absolutely.
Like that means thinking about mobile users.
Yes.
I feel like this is kind of a given these days.
It is, but it's worth highlighting.
It is worth highlighting because,
Yeah.
Yeah.
If your site isn't optimized for mobile, I mean, you're not just losing potential customers. You're actively hurting your search ranking.
you're shooting yourself in the foot.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Google prioritizes mobile-friendly sites,
Of course.
and those rankings, I mean, they directly impact your visibility
Totally.
and ultimately your sales.
All right, so our site is technically sound. It's visible. But how do we actually build trust with potential customers?
Well, that's where our third strategy comes in link popularity.
Okay. Link popularity. Tell me more.
So think of it this way. When other reputable websites link back to yours, it's like they're giving you a vote of confidence.
Okay.
Search engines see those backlinks as a sign of authority and trustworthiness,
Okay.
and that boosts your ranking.
So how do we get those backlinks?
Right.
It's not like I can just email somebody and be like, hey, link to my site.
No, you can't just spam people.
Right.
The key is creating high-quality content that naturally attracts backlinks. So you can think about informative blog posts,
Right.
original research, maybe, develop some interactive tools.
Okay,
Those
right.
are things that people would want to link to.
Mm-hmm.
You can also reach out to industry influencers,
Okay.
see if there are opportunities for guest blogging.
I like that collaboration.
Yeah.
I like it.
Work together.
And speaking of reaching out, we can't forget about the power of social media.
Of course not.
Our fourth strategy for driving sales, and it's not just about, posting pretty pictures.
No.
It's about driving traffic
Yeah.
and engaging with potential customers.
Right. Absolutely. Social media is a fantastic way to build brand awareness.
Yeah.
Showcase your personality and really connect with your target audience.
Yeah.
When you consistently share valuable content and engage with your followers,
Yeah.
you're going to drive traffic to your website and ultimately boost those sales.
And for businesses that have like a physical storefront, there's this whole other layer of SEO,
Yes.
local SEO.
Local SEO.
Number 5 on our list. This feels like a game changer for like restaurants and shops and, things like that.
Yeah. If you have a brick and mortar location, local SEO is essential.
Okay.
It's all about making sure your business shows up when someone nearby is searching for products or services like yours.
Okay.
So optimize your website with location-based keywords.
Correct.
Make sure your business is accurately listed in online directories.
Okay, so we've covered keywords, mobile optimization, backlinks, social media, local SEO.
We've done a lot.
We've done a lot.
What's next?
What is next?
Strategy number 6, structured data markup.
Okay.
This might sound a little intimidating.
It does sound a little intimidating.
But it's essentially about adding labels to your content.
Okay.
So that search engines can easily understand and categorize it.
So instead of just seeing like a block of text,
Right.
Google sees, oh, this is a product page.
Exactly.
Here's the price. Here's the rating.
That's it.
That sort of thing.
Yeah, it helps search engines present your information in a much more appealing and informative way. And that can lead to those rich snippets that you see in search results, with the star ratings, the product images.
Right, all those like extra details.
Yeah, all the eye-catching details.
Yeah, make you want to click.
Exactly.
So that makes a lot of sense. Okay, so we've got like a lot of the strategic pieces in place.
You do.
But I know that there can be technical issues that can really hold us back.
Of course.
Tell me about technical SEO.
All right, technical SEO strategy number 7.
7.
It's all about the behind-the-scenes elements that can really make or break your website's performance.
Okay.
So we're talking about things like website speed, broken links, XML sitemaps.
Got it.
So regular website audits are essential to identify and address any issues that might be hurting your search ranking.
It's like making sure the foundation of your house is solid.
Yes.
Before you start decorating.
Exactly.
And finally, our 8th strategy, competitor monitoring.
Yes.
It's not about copying, right?
No.
It's about learning and adapting.
Absolutely. By keeping an eye on what your competitors are doing, you can identify industry trends, successful strategies, and potential areas for improvement.
Gotcha. So you're kind of seeing what's working for other people.
Right.
And then you can figure out how to apply it to your own business.
And how to do it even better.
Right, exactly.
It's about staying informed and evolving your approach to stay ahead of the curve.
Okay, so there you have it.
We did it.
8 powerful SEO strategies.
To boost your sales.
From keywords to competitor analysis.
That's right.
It's all about creating this comprehensive approach that maximizes your visibility and drives business growth.
You got it.
And SEO, it's an ongoing process. It's not a one-time fix.
Absolutely not.
It's about continuously monitoring, adapting, and optimizing your strategies to stay ahead in the ever-changing digital landscape.
You have to stay on top of it.
If you'd like a personalized assessment of your current SEO strategy and how to best leverage these 8 core elements for your specific needs, reach out to us for a quote. We'd love to help you achieve your business goals.
We would.
Okay, that's it for this SEO deep dive.
See ya.
Thanks for listening.
Bye.